Here, I just want to do a little quick video on the Federal Reserve assets and why they cannot raise interest rates. And you can see here, just after the 2008 financial crisis, you can see that this color here looks like they were buying U.S. Treasury bills before the crisis. Other factors, I don't know what that is. I guess you can do some research. And then other Treasury bonds, where the green Treasury bonds is just a sliver on the way up, but other U.S. Treasury bonds. Our own Federal Reserve is buying our debt. So, in other words, well, before I go on, this mortgage-backed securities, these are all the bad assets that was created during the crisis that the Fed just assumed or consumed under their debt. I mean, they were just worthless then, and they're still worthless now. And then all these mortgage-backed securities, they took them all in. So right now, as we move into 2016, the Fed balance sheet is upwards of 4.5 trillion, and just last August, the St. Louis Fed admits that QE is a mistake. It's like, no kidding. He states in here that it hasn't done anything to boost growth in the economy, hasn't done anything to squash adjustable inflation. I mean, they want 2% a year, but it's been a lot higher than that. 0% interest rates, he goes on to say, hasn't done anything, and it's likely that 0% interest rates will stay the same for a long time to come. And the reason why they can't raise interest rates is they will, a quarter point, interest on a quarter point of $4.5 trillion is a hell of a lot of money, and they don't have it. So they'll never raise interest rates. They can't. They're in a quagmire. They can't afford to raise interest rates because all the banks holding all those assets, the Federal Reserve, they won't be able to afford it. They can't. And if they do try to afford it, it'll only come down to the people. And it says in the article that QE has basically disappeared the middle class. It just no longer exists because it's either you're poor or you have money. There's no middle anymore. So interest rates are going to stay the same, and if they do raise interest rates, the cost will come down to the people, just making us poorer. And what we really need to do is do what Iceland did and just kick out the bankers and nullify the debt, because we don't. Why do we owe debt to ourselves? The Constitution says we can run the government without interest. We can coin money without interest. We can do all these things. We don't need the bankers. We just need to get smart and do it. So there you have it. Interest rates are going to stay the same because they can't afford it. Share and like my video. Comment if you would. Click the like button. And please share. Thanks.